Good evening. Me again. We got George the Third today. Halfpenny. Not good condition. There's Mr. Potato Head. His head there. The date should be down there, but you can't see it. Then if you flip it over to that side, get it the right way around. There we go. You see Britannia there. It's facing that way. Not good condition. Same size. (1806). George. Bad condition. Very worn. Not going to get much detail off of that. You can see his head there. Not brilliant, but it's a find, isn't it? So if it was in good condition, in excellent condition, it would be worth £100. And if it was in fair condition, it would be £10 or £6. But that is not worth 50 pence, I don't think. Not worth crap. Never mind. Anyway, I got this as well. This made's up for the day. It's a buckle. You see that the pattern around it. This is a shoe buckle. Very curved. I get it in the right way. Curvy. Better than the other one I had. You see the pattern? So I went to try and find out how old this is. And I found this bit here. Square under 2 inches are 18th century. Over 2 inches are 1760. This is over 2 inches. So this is a 1760 shoe buckle. Made of brass or bronze. Most probably may have had silver gilt on top, but it's all worn off. So it's just brass colour, really. It's a bit green, patina. I brushed it up a bit and I smeared some oil on it. So my fingers smell fishy now. I used cod liver oil from the little capsules. It treats them pretty good. Yeah. So 1760. And you see the pin in there in the middle. Be here. And you see it. Can you see the one on the inside? See a little blob there? Yeah, nice find. Should I have to go there again? Still no silvers. And no more gold yet. And you can't have gold every day, can you? I've been detecting 30 years and I've only found the one gold coin. I have plenty of gold rings off the beach, but I'm not on the beach. I'm in the fields. Okay, that's it for now. See you later.